Today, I'm taking an in-depth look at Zoho Campaigns, an email marketing platform that promises powerful automation, seamless CRM integration, and an intuitive interface. Right away, logging in, you're greeted with a clean dashboard. It's organized but has quite a few menu options, which can be a bit overwhelming at first. The main navigation covers campaigns, automation, contacts, reports, and templates. If you're new to email marketing, expect a learning curve here. Starting with campaign creation, Zoho Campaigns offers multiple ways to send emails: regular campaigns, A/B testing, and automated workflows. The email editor is drag and drop, making it simple to design emails. However, while the editor has good customization options, it's not the smoothest experience. Sometimes, elements don't align as expected, and there's occasional lag when making changes. Point one of Zoho Campaign's strong points is automation. The platform allows you to create workflows based on subscriber actions, which is essential for lead nurturing and engagement. However, setting up workflows isn't as intuitive as it could be. Some settings are hidden behind additional steps, which can make the process feel tedious compared to competitors. But once everything is in place, automation works well. A major highlight is Zoho's CRM integration. If you're already using Zoho CRM, this platform will be a natural fit. Syncing contacts and managing leads is seamless, but for those using other CRMs, integration might require extra effort. Zoho offers third-party integrations, but they're not as extensive as what you'd find with bigger players like MailChimp or HubSpot. When it comes to pricing, Zoho Campaigns is budget-friendly. The free plan offers 6,000 emails per month for up to 2,000 contacts, which is generous. Paid plans scale based on the number of subscribers, and they're more affordable than many competitors. However, the lower price comes with some trade-offs, mainly in user experience and template quality. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Deliverability is another key factor. Zoho Campaigns claims to have strong deliverability rates, and my experience was decent, though not flawless. Some test emails landed in promotions or spam, which could be an issue for businesses relying on high open rates. Proper authentication, DKIM, SPF, to mark, helps, but it requires manual setup. The reporting section is solid, offering insights into open rates, click-through rates, bounces, and subscriber activity. While it's informative, it doesn't provide the advanced analytics some competitors offer. If deep data analysis is a priority, you might find Zoho Campaigns a bit limiting. Overall, Zoho Campaigns is a strong option for small to medium businesses, especially those already using Zoho's ecosystem. It's affordable, feature-rich, and has great automation potential. However, it's not the most user-friendly platform, and template design can be frustrating at times. If you're willing to invest time in learning the system, it can be a valuable tool. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more honest software reviews.